Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to get past Cash App verification. First, open your Cash App. From the home screen, go to the upper right-hand corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open the account settings page. Scroll down and find the option for security and privacy. Tap on that. Inside the security and privacy section, scroll down to find identity verification and tap on it. You'll see a message saying that verifying your identity helps prevent fraud on Cash App. To start, you will need to provide some personal information. Click on the option to confirm your details. Begin by entering your date of birth, followed by the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and then your current address. Be sure to enter the address where you are currently living. Once you've completed all the fields correctly, you'll see a confirmation page saying that your information has been verified. If you'd like to learn more about the process, you can select the additional info option or simply click Done to continue. The next step in the verification process involves using a photo ID. Tap on the option to verify with a photo ID. You'll see a message reassuring you that all photos are encrypted to keep your information private. You can review the privacy and retention policies if you'd like. When you're ready, click Continue. Now, you'll need to select which form of ID you want to use. Cash App supports driver's licenses, state IDs, passports, and permanent residence cards. For this example, I will choose Driver's License. After selecting your ID type, Cash App will ask for permission to use your camera. Allow access so you can take a photo of the front and back of your ID. Make sure the images are clear and well lit before submitting them. Once the photos are taken, Cash App will begin processing them. During this process, you'll also need to take a live photo of yourself to match with your ID. Follow the on-screen prompts and click Continue to take your photo. Cash App will take some time to verify the information in photos. Be patient as this step can take a few minutes. If everything is verified successfully, you'll see a confirmation message saying that your identity has been verified. Once you reach this point, click Done, and your Cash App verification process will be complete. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.